Go to the program mode, enter the program using the alphabet and number keys. Insert the raw material in the chuck. In this simulation software, this is done graphically instead of with a real part. On a machine, you will of course be loading a real part. Mount the tools in the turret in their correct positions according to the program. Specify where the X0, Z0 position is on the machine for various tools by entering the tool offsets. For this, switch to the manual data input or MDI mode and start the spindle. Change to the jog mode to manually move the tool along the Z-axis to the position for facing. First set the Z offset for the tool by taking a light cut on the face of the part. In the offset setting page, enter the position of the tool as the Z0 position. Now set the X offset by taking a light cut on the diameter. Use the jog buttons to move the tool along the diameter and take a light cut. Measure the diameter where you did the light cut. In the offset setting page, enter this diameter as the X offset. Repeat this for all the tools used in turning the part. We are now ready to cut the part. Now we change to the auto mode and press cycle start. The part is now done. These are the key messages from this lecture. These are the topics that we covered in this lecture.